Okay, good evening. ICT Tutu. So welcome to our session, the first day of Industrial Arts, Introduction to Industrial Arts, Part 1. And so since this is just day 1, well, more of an orientation, okay, on how we'll be able to do this semester. So first course you have with me is the Introduction to Industrial Arts Part 1. Then, so that's Monday, 6 to 9. And we also have Thursday, 6 to 9, Introduction to ICT, Specialization 1. So by the way, class, question muna. Na-meet na ba kayo ng mga other instructor nyo?
No po.
So ito yung unang meeting nyo for the semester?
Yes po.
Okay. So, most likely next week, face-to-face na. So, next week, moving forward. So, ano naman tayo lagi? Full face-to-face. Mga ano lang, unforeseen circumstances kaya nagiging online, which is madalas mangyari. Kaya kahit full face-to-face na, since last academic year, nag-online pa din. Pero honestly, nakakasawa na talaga yung online. Kasi since pandemic, 2026 na, online pa din, nakakaumay na. Okay, so anyway, so how are you, ICT Tutu? How's your first year in PUP? So anyone who wants to answer, how are you guys? Okay, Jude?
Audible po, sir. Audible po ba ako, sir?
Ayan, okay na. Medyo malakas na.
Audible po. Okay po. First experience ko po ay masaya naman po, sir, na medyo mahirap po, sir. May challenges lang po sa mga every subject, pero may natutunan na naman po. Ganun lang po.
Yes. And second year na kayo, di ba? So pagbalik nyo next week sa PUP, pag nakakita kayo ng mga freshmen, sabi nyo, what a newbies. Di ba? Naka-chin up na kayo, second year na kayo, di ba? Parang ang sarap ng feeling. Pag nakakita kayo ng mga freshmen, well, second year. Second year na kami. So ganun yung pakiramdam, di ba? Second year college na kayo. So siguro naman na-survive nyo yung first 2 semesters nyo dito na wala kayong 275, di ba? Ano pa rin kayo? Pwede pa rin kayo maging magna summa or at least cum laude. So good luck with that. And thumbs up nga, class, kung may mga na-interview ako dito during your enrollment. Siguro naman meron, no? Kasi sa 2-1, mga 5. Okay, 1, 2, yeah. Yeah. So there, dahil pang mga, so most likely, kung iba sa inyo, the story kung bakit napupunta sa PTLED ICT. Ang course talaga natin ay Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in PLE-ICT. Okay? So, may mga instances pa rin na kahit na PLE-ICT major kayo, since hindi naman lahat ng school priority yung ICT, di ba? May possibility pa rin na mapunta kayo sa ibang area ng PLE. Such as, agri-fishery, masonry, automotive, uh, carpentry, cosmetology, di ba? So kahit na ICT major kayo, pupunta pa rin kayo sa ibang field ng TLE kasi napaka-broad ng TLE. Nung practice teaching ko nga sa umaga, drafting, grade 7. Then, grade 9, sa hapon naman, grade 9, electricity. Electricity na may kasamang plumbing. So, mga tubo, yan. Manual pa kami um, maglagay ng mga uh, wire. Okay? So, yon, i-ready nyo na yung mga sarili nyo na kapag nasa TLE kayo, kung ano-anong area yung possible na mapunta sa inyo. Ngayon pa nga lang, di ba? Industrial arts, then ICT. So, magkakaroon din kayo ng agri-fishery. So, madami talagang mga area. Kasi class, yung course nyo, yung BTLED, ICT, yan yung may pinakamalalim na lore na course sa buong PUP. Okay, nagsimula yan, World War II. Kaya, for the longest time, for 100 years, na tinatag yung PUP, isa lang yung education na course na ino-offer ng PUP. Nabago lang yun noong 2010. Okay? So, after more than 100 years, na-realize nila, bakit puro education, secondary education major in TLE lang yung ino-offer natin? 106 years na yung PUP, ito lang yung ino-offer natin. So, i-reorganize yan. I-reorganize. Itatag yung College of Education. So, yung ika-106 years ng PUP, saka lang nila na-realize, dapat may College of Education tayo. Yung education natin, puro Bachelor and Secondary Education major in TLE. So, major in TLE lang yung education sa PUP for more than 100 years. Kaya kung may mga teacher kayo sa TLE, mga senior citizen na teacher, matatandang teacher niya, na galing sa PUP, most likely ka-course na yun. So, ano lang naman yan? Ni-revise yung course. Kumbaga, season 3 na kayo. Yung season 1, yan sila Ma'am Soto, sila Ma'am Sumande, sila Dean, yan season 1, yan sila. BBE, yung tawag. Then season 2 kami, BBTE. Then, naging BTLED. Kayo na yon. Okay? But, the core concept is still the same. Okay? Ni-rename lang. Pero yun pa rin yun. Bachelor in Secondary Education major in TLE. Yan, nilagyan lang nila ng ICT. Napakalalim ng lore ng course nyo to the point na pinangalan yung PUP dahil sa atin. Naniniwala ba kayo doon? Polytechnic. Many skills. University of the Philippines. So our university will not be called Polytechnic if it's not for us. Kasi tayo yung pinaka-core na course sa PUP. O diba? Naligaw lang kayo sa course na to, hindi nyo alam. Napakalalim ng history ng course. And, okay. Since day 1 pa lang naman to class, alam nyo na yung drill sa day 1. Pero ikagamify natin siya. Okay? Kasi sa next meeting natin, meron tayong graded activity. Okay? So, graded activity. Pero, sa agenda natin tonight, we will have a introduce yourself activity with a twist kasi may winners. May dalawang magiging exempted sa first graded activity natin. Dalawa. Okay? So, i-announce ko at the end of this activity kung sino yung panalo. So, exempted meaning automatic, puno na yung grade mo sa first graded activity natin. And, malaking privilege yun kasi mahirap yung first graded activity natin. So, laking ginhawa kapag na-exempted ka. Kaya, seryosohin nyo tong activity na to kahit introduce yourself lang to. Okay? So, ang mechanics is very simple. You just have to I'm sure nalaro nyo na to. Okay, thumbs up nga kung nalaro nyo na yung 2 truths and 1 lie. Wala pa. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, ganito yung mechanics. You'll just need to, of course, tell us your full name, your age, kung saan ka nakatira, yung city lang. City will do. And you provide 3 interesting facts about yourself. Okay? And i-ready nyo yung GC natin, ipa-flood natin yan. Kasi, let's say, si Kyla, nag-provide siya ng 3 statements. So, first statement, second, third. Now, lahat kayo magbobotohan kung alin doon sa tatlong statement niya yung lie. So, i-decipher nyo kung saan doon yung lie. Okay? And based doon sa statement mo, doon ka possible manalo. Kapag maganda yung statement mo to the point na hindi nahulaan ng mga classmate mo, yun yung chance mo na manalo. Okay? So, pag nagbigay ka ng 3 statements, so lahat kayo boboto. Ang hindi bumoto, absent. Okay? And itatali natin yan. Makikita natin yung overview kung nahulaan ba nila yung lie doon sa statement mo na yon. Okay? So, alphabetical tayo, but I'll give you 3 to 5 minutes to come up with your statement. Okay. Wala pa lang. Industrial arts, 2. Okay, so let's say si Abuela. Yan. Nag-provide siya ng 3 statements. So, then lahat kayo magbobotohan. I pull up yung GC natin. So, kung sa tingin ko yung lie dun sa statement niya is the third statement, lalagay ko lang 3. If it's 2, then 2. If it's the first statement, then 1. So there. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay? Now, since let's have a dry run. So I'll go first to be fair to everyone, especially yung mga di pa nakakalaro. So my full name is Gino Lumana Raz. Just call me Sir Gino. And the 3 statements about myself. So, lalagay ko, kunyari. First statement, I live in a condo. Second, my course in college is tourism management. Third is I'm a licensed scuba diver. Okay, so come on, botohan na kayo sa GC. Ilalagay nyo lang kung ano yung, sa tingin nyo, yung lie doon sa statements na yon. So again, first statement, I live in a condo. Second, my course in college is tourism management. 3 is I am a licensed scuba diver. Yan, ganyan. Ganyan yung mangyayari later. Okay. Then, you only have 20 seconds to vote para mabilis tayo. Then, ililista ko kung ano dun sa statement na yon yung lie. Okay, so the lie there is actually the statement number 3. Yes, ano ko lang yon, goal ko na hindi ko pa nagagawa. So yeah, my course in college is tourism management. Pero nag-shift ako sa education, kaya nandito ako sa harap nyo. Okay, so proceed na tayo sa, ano muna pala? I'll give you 3 to 5 minutes to come up with your statement. Make sure, class, na sensible yung mga statement nyo. Kasi nakasalalay dito kung mahulaan nila kung ano dun yung lie. And kung hindi nila mahulaan, the least amount of people na makakahula nung statement na lie mo, the higher chances na ikaw yung mananalo. Again, dalawa lang yung mananalo sa section nyo. And make it sensible. Okay? Walang mga statement na obvious, such as, I have a notebook inside my backpack or I have 20 pesos inside my wallet. Walang mga ganun. Make it sensible, such as, let's say, you've been to other countries already that your classmates don't know yet, or you have a celebrity relatives, or you have a twin sister, or you graduated valedictorian, or something like that. Okay, make it sensible. So 3 statements lang. I'll give you 5 minutes. So 6:55 start tayo. Alright, let's start.
Okay, so dinig po ba, sir?
Yes.
Ako pala si Janet Abuela po, 18 years old. Nakatira po ako sa Quezon City. So, ang statement number 1 po, yung program na tinitake ko ngayon or education program ay hindi ko first choice. Pangalawa, kapag may free time po ako, mahilig po akong mag-bike. Pangatlo ay kapag free time ko rin po, mahilig po akong magluto.
Okay, go ahead. Class, do not answer yet kapag hindi pa tapos yung yung 3 statements, okay? Alright, so going once, going twice, and time's up. Okay, Janet, what's the lie there?
Number 2, sir.
Okay, so hindi ka mahilig sa bike.
Hindi ako marunong mag-bike.
Okay. So, unfortunately, maraming nakahula kung ano yung lie doon. Okay, next is Conrad.
Rinig po ba ako, sir?
Yes.
So, my name is Conrad FNR Abogado, 21 years old, nakatira po sa Manila. At graduate po ako ng with honors and magaling po ako
Wait,
magaling po ako mag
i-separate mo yung mga statements mo. Mag-statement ka na pala, hindi pa namin alam. Okay, so what's your first statement?
My first statement po is graduate po ako ng may honors. Magaling po ako mag-chess and di po ako marunong mag-bike. Yun lang po.
Okay, what's the lie there, Conrad?
Yung number 3 po.
Okay. Okay, next is Jumwell. Is Jamal present? Absence of Jamal. Okay, let's proceed to Anna.
Hello, sir. Rinig po ba ako?
Yes.
So, good evening, everyone. My name is Ana Angelica D. Baguisa. I am 19 years old from Makati City. So, ang first statement ko ay I can eat salagubang. So, kumakain ako ng salagubang. Second is I love to eat piniritong atay. And then the third statement is I have a fear in small spaces or places. Yun lang po.
Okay. Talagubang, patay, and claustrophobic. Going once, going twice. And okay, what's the lie there? Ana,
Ano po? Yung statement number 2.
ayaw mo ng atay?
Opo.
Sarap kaya ng atay. Pero kumakain ka ng liver spread.
Hindi po. Pag hinahalo lang po sa ulam, sir, kasi di na po nalalasahan.
Ang sustansya kaya ng atay. Okay. Next is Samuel.
Hello. Hello po. Ayan. Hello po. Good evening. I am Samuel Aaron M. Kahuday po. 19 years old from Novaliches, Quezon City po. So, statement number 1 ko po is I teach drums. Number 2, I have kidney disease. And yung number 3 po is I love one sport. Yun po.
Ano, one sport? Anong klaseng sport yun?
Basta one sport lang po, sir.
One sport, pangalan ng sport. Ano yun?
Apo.
YouTube channel ba yan? Di lang ako nanonood ng live ng PBA. Okay. So, going once, going twice. And... Okay. Spill the tea.
Yung lie po dun is number 3 po. Kasi multi-sports po ako.
Okay.
Yes po.
Okay, good one. May chance ka manalo. Isa lang yung naka-decipher. Okay. Next is Cardinio.
Hello po, good evening po. I am Amory Ann Cardino po from 18 years old from Cavite. Yung first statement ko po is kumanta po ako for an intermission number para sa elementary graduation po. Tapos pangalawang statement po is sumali po ako ng journalism nung senior high school. And third statement po is marunong po akong gumawa ng crochet.
Okay.
Yun po.
Crochet. Ano yung second ulit? Ay, Mari.
Sumali po ako ng journal nung senior high school.
Journalism. Okay. Go ahead. Okay, going once, going twice. And what's the lie there?
Yung
Ay,
lie po dun
Mari.
is hindi po ako marunong mag-crochet.
Oh. Oh, okay. I see. Thank you, Mari. Next is... wait lang. Si Samuel pala yung kanina. May kidney disease ka, Samuel? Ano yun, nagda-dialysis ka?
Actually, nung ano lang po yun, sir, pandemic po.
Okay ka na ngayon.
Opo, 2 years pong walang lasa yung pagkain ko, sir.
Hindi naman. Kasi Napakahirap ma-dialysis. Okay. So let's proceed to Leonard.
Good evening, sir. I'm Leonard A. Casoy, 19 years old po, and nakatira po ako sa Quezon City. And my first statement is, kaya ko maggitara. Pangalawa ay kaya ko mag-solve ng 5x5 Rubik's Cube sa loob ng 1 minuto. And may 3 po akong pusa.
Okay. 5 yung Lido. Ay, second statement yung Lido. Kaya mong isolve yan ng mga 20 seconds. Okay. Going once, going twice. What is the lie there? Ay, sabi mo na. Leonard, sabi mo na yung lie.
Na-chat ko po yung ano po, statement 2 po.
Oo nga. Sabi na yun. Bakit? Bakit lie yun?
Ano po siya, more than 3 minutes po. Pero yung 3x3 po kasi yung under 20 seconds po na solve.
Okay. Okay, next is Alia.
Am I audible po?
Yes.
Good evening. I am Alia Maxine Cervantes, 19 years old from Pasig City. First statement ko po is nung bata ako, meron akong tubig sa baga. Then, second statement is I can sleep for 15 hours straight. And third statement is, may bali yung daliri ko sa paa.
Oh, okay. Pili kayo, class. Okay, what's the lie there?
Yung 3 po.
Thank you, Alia. Next, Nathan.
And good evening po. Nathan Dinami po, 19 years old from Quezon City. Sa akin po, number 1, IA student nung senior high school. Number 2, varsity player dati. Number 3, may driver's license na.
Okay. Going once, going twice. And what's the lie there, Nathan?
Number 3 po.
Oh, okay. So, anong sports mo?
Nung ano po, nung senior high school, boxing po. Varsity player ng boxing.
Oh, I see. Okay. So, sinong favorite boxer mo?
Ano po? Ano pong sabi niyo? Sino
Sinong
pong
favorite boxer mo?
favorite boxer? Wala po eh.
Sarili mo?
Yup.
Okay. Next is Josel.
Hi everyone, I'm Giselle Ann Ardocot, 19 years old from Taytay Rizal. So my first statement is I really do love cooking. Next is my second statement is I like sweets like chocolates or cakes. And then lastly, my third statement is I have a mark or may balat ako sa um, left ko na hand.
Okay. What's the lie there?
Yung number 3 po. Kasi po yung balat ko po nasa right hand ko po. Malaki po siya.
Okay. Espina?
Audible po ba?
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. I am Cassandra ESP. The first statement ko po is nakapag-travel na po ako sa playing alone. Second statement po is I can play 5 instruments. Third statement po is nakapag-represent pa po ako ng school sa Sudoku City.
Medyo hindi audible. Ulitin mo nga yung first statement mo. Dahan-dahan.
Okay po, sir.
Or ayusin mo yung ano, unplug mo yung headset mo. Okay, try again.
Clear na po ba, sir?
Yan, clear na. Nagsasalita ka na ba?
Clear na po ba?
Yes, clear na. Can you hear us? Spina, are you there? We can't hear you if you are already talking. Cassandra, are you there?
Sorry, sir. Medyo mahina po kasi yung audio ko pag wala pong earpods. Pwede po bang i-type ko na lang po yung statement?
Pwede ka na magsalita ngayon. Malakas naman yung audio
Sige
mo.
po. So yung first statement ko po is nakapag-travel na po ako ng plane alone. Second statement po is I can play 5 instruments. And third statement po is nakapag-represent na po ako ng school sa Sudoku competition.
key. And time's up. What's the lie?
Yung lie po, sir, is yung third statement po.
Oh, pero marunong ka mag-Sudoku.
Marunong po mag-Sudoku po, sir, pero hindi po ako nakapag-represent po ng school.
Okay. Alright. So, kailan mo kami papakitaan ng ng sample sa 5 instruments na yan? Ano-ano yung mga instruments na yan?
Marunong po ako, sir, mag-piano, mag-kalimba, violin, guitar, and ukulele po.
Nice. Okay. Next is Michaela.
Good evening po. Am I audible?
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Michaela Nicole Argalorio. I am 19 years old and I'm from Quezon City. So for my 3 statements, one is I was a previous SSLG officer back in my high school days. Second is when I was a kid, I accidentally cut off my pointing finger. And the third is I once earned 20,000 in a day.
Okay. Screen choice. Moving first. Moving first. And okay, what's the lie?
The first statement po, yung sa SSLG. I was never a part of SSLG. Thank you.
I see. Okay. Gabriel?
Good evening po, sir. Am I audible po?
Yes.
My name is Gabriel Garcia, 21 years old.
Gabriela, kasama ng konti. Medyo mahina.
My name is Gabriel Garcia, 21 years old from Malabon City. So yung first statement po, naging champion po ako ng dressmaking contest, division level, nung senior high school po. Second statement, naging MVP po ako dati ng liga ng basketball sa province po. And my third statement is meron po akong national certificate ng bed and pastry production.
Okay. So what's the lie there? Gabriel?
Second statement po, sir. Hindi pa ako naglalaro ng basketball.
I see. Yeah. Kilala ka ng mga classmates mo. Okay, next is Juan Antonio.
Hello po, sir. Audible po ba?
Yes.
Ako po si Juan Antonio Lorenzo P. Gardose. Nakatira po ako sa Barangay Duyan, Project 2. Ang first statement ko, sir, nabangga po ako ng jeep. Second statement ko, sir, may nakapag-bike na po ako simula Tagaytay po, sir. And third statement ko po, sir, di po ako umiinom.
Okay, so ano yung lie doon?
Ano sir? Statement 2 sir.
Really?
Kasi sir, hanggang silang lang po inaabot namin sir. Naplatan po kasi yung tropa ko.
Okay. Ang dami mong napaniwala ah. May malaki yung chance mo na manalo. Okay. So next is guys, wala mag-a-unsent ng touch move. Wala mag-a-unsent ng sagot. Ay, ng boto. Alright, Vincent?
Sir, rinig po ba?
Yes.
My name is Vincent, 19 years old from QC po. First statement ko po is mahilig ako mag-alaga ng exotic pets. Then second statement po is ako po yung kasama ni Lorenzo na naplatan papuntang Tagaytay. Then third statement po is kaya ko pong tumakbo ng 10 km under 1 hour po.
Oh. 10 km, 1 hour. Kaya yun. Uy, walang 4. Okay ka, Elijah. Okay, what's the lie there?
Yung second statement po, sir. Kasama po niya ako pero hindi po ako yung naflatan.
Gusto mo rin manalo ah. Okay. So lang dami nakabisto. Next is Prince Ace.
Audible po.
Yes.
Hello po, ako po si Prince Ace Ravoni Dilagaday. I'm 19 years old po and nakatira po ako sa Santa Maria, Bulacan po. Tapos my first statement po is muntik na po ako malunod sa dagat. Second po, 25 po yung ka-streak ko sa TikTok. And third po, may martilyo po akong katabi sa kwarto.
Okay. First statement, pumalun sa dagat and 25 po yung streak. Sana all may ka-streak. Okay, what's the lie?
Yung lie po is yung first statement po. Hindi po ako sa dagat muntik malunod, sa ilog po.
Ano niyo yun? Ano ba yung streak sa TikTok? Ano yan? Orient nyo nga ako.
Kung ilang days po sir yung parang chats nyo. Kunwari, ka-streak ko po si Bagwisa po. Meron po kaming 50 days na straight na magka-chat po. Ganon.
50 days. Oh. Okay. Ganun pala yun. Okay, next is Kyla.
Good evening po. Audible po.
Yes.
Okay, so my name is Kyla M. Lauden. Ako ay 20 years old na and nakatira ako sa Quezon City. So my first option statement is kumakain ako ng spicy foods. Second option, na-diagnose ako ng hepatitis. And third option is pangarap kong magtrabaho sa Switzerland.
Sige. Huwag nga muna magsasagot habang hindi pa tapos yung statement. Angeline, no? Okay. Go.
So yung live po doon is number 1 po.
Hindi ka kumakain ng spicy food?
Ano, hindi po.
Okay, bakit?
Na-diagnose po ako ng hepatitis eh. So pinagbawalan na po ako.
Actually, yung spicy food, yung sili ngayon pumapatay sa bacteria eh.
Wala.
Kaya
At saka ano po, sa mindset po kasi ng magulang ko, yun daw po yung ng ano, kaya hindi ko na rin po inano.
I see. Pero kapag kakain ka ng street food, pag maraming sili, yun yung pumapatay sa bacteria. But anyway, yeah, baka na-associate yung mga spicy food sa street foods. Alright. Next is Lopez. Absent si Lopez. Okay, proceed tayo kay Manik lang.
Am I audible po, sir?
Yes.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jeric D. Maneklang Jr. and I'm 20 years old and I'm currently residing at Sauyo Novaliches, Quezon City. The three statements about myself is first, I won third runner-up over 20 schools in division research competition. Second is I took an international research competition. And third is I won a champion champion division robotics competition.
Okay. So what's the lie there, Jeric?
Number 2 po, sir.
Okay. Mm. Next is Janina.
Audible po ba, sir?
Yes.
Hello, I am Janina A. Mangorangka, 19 years old. The first statement is I can speak 4 languages. Second, I once competed in a regional Quran memorization competition. Third is I graduated valedictorian in an Islamic school.
Okay. So what's the lie there, Janina?
Yung second po.
Oh. Okay, so ano yung mga languages na kaya mong salitain?
Tagalog, English, Arabic, and Maranao po.
I see. Okay. Next is Montilla.
Hello po, sir. Am I audible po?
Yes.
Okay, so I am Luis Imantilla. I'm 18 years old and I am from the municipality of Montalban under the province of Rizal. So my three statements are: number one, I almost died from a disease when I was 7 years old. Number two, nakapag-coach na ako ng campus journalism at a regional level and nanalo yung bata. Number three, 3 beses na akong naging bahagi ng regional competition sa campus journalism.
Okay, what's the lie, Louis?
Ang lie po is number 3 po kasi I am actually a 2-time RSPC qualifier pa lang and not 3. And yes, I almost died when I was 7 dahil nagkaroon ako ng Kawasaki disease from
Nice.
nowhere, and
Anong,
yung po
anong,
nanggaling pa sa Singapore before
okay. Marie? Shane?
Rinig po ba?
Yes.
So, good evening po, sir. I am Shane Tiffany C. Marie, 19 years old, nakatira po sa Caloocan City. So, here's my 3 statement. So, una po is, meron akong 4 na cats. Pangalawa is, mahilig ako magluto. And pangatlo, for 2 months, yung baby picture ko yung background ng GC namin.
Okay. What's the lie there?
Yung lie po dun is yung number 1. Dalawa lang po yung cats ko.
Okay. Okay, one moment. Okay, let's continue. Sino na? Wait lang. Atlet Tutu. Mediano. Sorry. Marie, anong statement ulit yung lie doon?
Yung number 1 po.
Okay. Is Mediano here?
Yes po, sir. So, hello everyone. I am Bernadette Timigiano, 19 years old from Bulacan po. And my first statement is di ako mahilig sa matatamis na foods. Second, meron akong alagang pusa. Third, naging passer ako dati ng isang basic level sa Chinese test.
Okay. What's the line there, Bernadette?
Yung pangalawa po, sir.
So, mahilig ka sa pusa.
Wala po akong alagang pusa.
Okay. Sorry. Next is Kayla. Guys, bumoto kayo ha. Pag walang boto, absent kayo for this session. Kaya lang yung participation nyo. If you miss more than 5 vote session, you will be absent. Okay, Kyla, go ahead.
Sorry po, na-end ko po yung call instead po na open mic. Am I audible po?
Yes.
Hello everyone, I am Kyla Denise Malgarejo, 18 years old from Bukawi, Bulacan. So yung first statement ko po is, marunong po akong mag-drawing ng realistic charcoal portrait. Second statement po is, hindi po ako marunong mag-bike. And then yung third po is, 600 po yung grado ng mata ko.
Okay, what's the line there, Carla?
Second statement po.
So, marunong ka mag-bike?
Yes po.
Okay, may bike ka?
Wala po. Pero marunong po.
Okay. And, ba yung mga statement mo? 600 yung grado ng mata mo?
Opo.
Nakaano ka? Kaya pa ba ng contact lens yan?
Opo, naka-contact lens po ako ngayon.
Grabe. Pero yung ano ko, co-teacher ko dyan sa PUP, 2,000, tsaka 1,800 yung grado niya. Okay? Jude?
So, good evening everyone. Narinig po ako, sir.
Yes.
So, good evening everyone. Good evening everyone. I'm Jude Michael Omar. I'm 21 years old from Quezon City. So, my three statement is, number 1 is, nalunod ako na dati sa ilog. Number 2, hindi ko pa naranasan magka-black eye. And number 3, may nunal ako sa dalawa kong tenga. Sige, isa sa lalat na yun.
Okay, what's the lie there?
Number 2 po, sir. Naranasan ko po magka-black eye po, sir.
Bakit ka nagka-black eye?
Sa kakulitan ko po, sir. Like, na untog po sa yung mata ko po ng sobra. Like, nagmaga talaga sa lahat po.
Okay. Jennifer?
So I am Japer A. Puliwit po, 18 years old from Manila City. First statement ko po is, naglalaro ako ng basketball tuwing pastime kasama mga tropa ko. And second statement is, I was the provost marshal of the Corps when I was a cadet officer. And third is, I've never broke any bones in my body.
Okay, what's the lie there?
Yung number 1 po.
Oh. Okay. So, anong ginagawa mo sa pastime mo?
Ibang sports po katulad ng archery and running po.
I see. Okay. Ellery?
Naririnig po ako, sir.
Yes.
Good evening po, sir. My name is Ellery Grace Reyes. I am 19 years old from Nabota City. Ito pa yung mga statement ko. First one is, beach is my happy place. Second, mahilig po ako sumali dati sa dance competition. And 3, meron po akong 9 na mole sa mukha. Mole, nanal.
Okay. So, what's the lie there, Ellery?
Yung 3 po, sir.
So, ilan? Hindi 9, ilan?
10, sir.
One, two. So, yung mga nagsagot ng 3, binilang nila yung mole mo sa mukha mo. Kasi alam nilang lie. Okay. So, next is Riza.
Hello po. Good evening po. My name is Alexandria G. Rizzo. I'm 18 years old from Quezon City. My first statement is I do live selling. And then my second is ministry ko po sa church ay pagda-drums. And then third ko po, I got 25,000 up because of selling digicams.
Okay, 25,000. 25,000 na apps? Anong apps?
Cash po, sir.
25,000 cash. Okay. Okay, what's the lie there?
Second statement po.
Okay. So, hindi ka ministry. Ano ka? I mean, sa pagda-drums.
Ano po? Tambourine po.
Okay. Next, Ruaza.
Am I audible po?
Yes.
So, I am Chabet Kizerwaza, 19 years old from Taguig City po. And my first statement is, I play basketball po in the sport fest in church. And second statement po is, nag-champion po ako sa sa dance competition po sa school. And then third statement po is, sumakay ako sa airplane na mag-isa.
Okay. So, boto? Alright. So, spill the tea.
Ang lie po is yung statement number 2 po. Kasi nag-champion po ako sa singing competition, competition, hindi po sa dance.
Okay. Marifel?
Hello po, good evening po. I'm Marcel O. Salvamante, 19 years old from Pasay City. Yung first statement ko is, consistent achiever student po ako from LM hanggang high school. Tapos second po is, naging representative ako ng grade level namin to play badminton from I4 intrams. Tapos yung pangatlo po is, nung bata ako na food poison ako at nagkaroon po ako ng amoeba.